How to fix Little Nightmares 3 crashing on Steam. So first you need to go to your library, right click on the game, go to Properties window, go to Installed Files section, hit the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Wait for this process as it might take a while. Now once this is done, you should go to the General tab, and under Launch Options you will need to type the following command, -d3d11. You can also try -dx11 if the first one did not work. Now close out of this, and then you should open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you should have NVIDIA app installed. Go to the drivers section, select Game Ready driver, make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. If you do have it already, try to manually reinstall it by clicking on this button right here. And once you finish reinstalling the driver, you should open up your browser and then search for Redist. Go to the first Microsoft page, scroll down to this table, and then download the 86 version and the 64 version. Download both of them and install them individually. And once you finish installing them or repairing them, if you do have them already installed, you should restart your system by clicking on the power button and then restart. And once your system is restarted, just open up Steam as administrator and then just launch Little Nightmares 3, and that should fix the game crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.